Okay students, here also continuation of 3.4 exercise, that is matrix A is equal to 2 minus 3 minus 1 to find A inverse. Here also we need to find A inverse, that is condition is first write condition A is equal to I into A. In the place of A write A matrix is equal to I as identity matrix. In the A write as it is. Here in LHS part we need to convert this A matrix as identity matrix. In like that we need to take here conditions. First take here we need to modify this 2 as 1. So wise I take here condition as R1 tending to R1 plus R2. That is then here R1 is equal to R1 plus R2, that is first row here, that is add here first row plus second row, that is 2 plus minus 1 is plus 1, minus 3 plus 2 as minus 1, then second row right as it is. Here we need to modify only first row. In RHS also 0 plus 1 as 1, 1 plus 0 1, second row right as it is, A right as it is. Then here I need to choose here this one as 0. So wise this minus 1 can be converted into 0. So wise I take here condition, that is second row tending to R2 plus R1. Add second row plus first row. That means first row right as it is. Here also first row right as it is. Then add these two rows, that is minus 1 plus 1 0, minus 2 plus of minus 1 as plus 1 is equal to 0 plus 1 as 1, 1 plus 1 2. So wise now I modify here minus 1 tending to 0. So wise I take here condition R1 tending to R1 plus R2. That is first row here we need to take here condition as first row. So wise R1 plus R2, 1 plus 0 1, minus 1 plus 1 0, second row right as it is. Here also 1 plus 1 2, 1 plus 2 3, second row right as it is. Then A keep right A as it is. Then see here in LHS first we are considering A matrix. This A matrix can be converted into identity matrix. So wise this is your identity matrix is equal to I is equal to A inverse into A. So why is your A inverse matrix as 2 3 1 2. This is your A inverse. This one we need to find. So why is your A inverse is equal to 2 3 1 2. Next problem. Next let us see one 3 cross 3 matrix. How to find 3 cross 3 matrix in same A inverse. That is here also I change here row wise. So I take condition as A is equal to I into A. So why this is your A matrix. So why is condition A is equal to I into A. According to this condition we need to write like this. Then I choose here these two as 0. Second row and third row. In first element I need to change minus 3 and 2 as 0. So why I take condition like this. That is second row tending to R2 plus 3R1, third row tending to R3 minus 2R1. Like that I take here condition. So wise here I choose second row and third row operation. First row right as it is. In both LHS and RHS write first row as it is. So wise second row condition is R2 plus 3R1, multiplication of 3 in R1, then add R2 plus R3. Sorry, R2 plus R1. That is my multiplication of 3 in R1, that is minus 3 plus 3 0 0, multiplication of 3 into 3 9, multiplication of 3 here, that is minus 2 into 3 6, minus 5 minus 6 as minus 11. Then R3 is R3 minus 2R1. Here multiplication of 2. That is 2 multiplication of 2 minus 2. Multiplication of 2 is 1 into 2 2. 2 minus 2 0. Here 3 into 2 6. 6 minus 5 as minus 1. Here multiplication of 2 is 4. That is minus into minus plus 4. is equal to, here also same condition apply here in RHS also. You are getting like this. Next I choose here some more conditions, that is here I take this 3 as 0. So wise I take here condition like this, and that is R1 tending to R1 plus 3R3. Then in R2, that is in second row, I choose this 9 as 1. So wise I take like this condition, second row tending to R2 plus 8R3. That is in first row write as it is. Here we need to make operation on first row. So wise R1 plus 3R3. In third row multiplication of 3. That is 1 into 0 into 3, 0. So wise 1 plus 3, 1 plus 0 as 1. Here multiplication of 3. Here also if you are taking conditions R1 and R3, R2, you are getting like this. Next condition is take here third row condition, that is R3 tending to R3 plus R2. Third row operation. So wise here I need to take minus 1 as 0. Next I choose here this one as 0. So wise I take here condition as R3 tending to R3 plus R2. So wise add third row plus second row. That is you are getting first row second row right as it is. LHS and RHS first row second row right as it is. I need to make operation in third row. So wise that is multiplication of 1 by 25 and R3. That is here 0 by 25 0, 0 by 25 0. Here 25 divided by 25 you are getting 1. If you are multiplication of 1 by 25. Here also in RHS also first row second row right as it is. Here multiplication of 25. So why if your multiplication here 15 divided by 25, that is 3 by 5. Here 1 by 25. Here 9 by 25. A right as it is. Now we are all getting, next we need to change these two. This 10 changing to 0. This one also we need to change 0. So wise I take here conditions like that. That is in R1 and R2, that is first row and second row I choose condition like this. That is R1 tending to R1 minus 10 R3 and R2 tending to R2 minus 21 R3. If you are taking these two conditions, that is, see here R1 minus 10 R3. R1 minus multiplication of 10 in R3, that is 10 minus 10, 0. Then here R2 minus 21 R3. That is, if you are multiplication of 21 here, R2 minus 21 R3. 21 minus 21, here also 0. Here also we need to get these two as 0. Next in the same way in RHS also you are getting like this into A. So wise in LHS we are getting identity matrix. So wise A inverse is equal to, this is your identity matrix, is equal to A inverse into A. So A inverse is equal to, you are getting this value, that is A inverse is equal to 1 minus 2 by 5 minus 3 by 5 minus 2 by 5 4 by 5 11 by 5 minus 3 by 5 1 by 5 9 by 25. This is your A inverse value. In the same way, this is your 3.4 exercise. In this 3.4 exercise we have 17 problems. In these 17 problems I have already solved first one, third one, 10th one, 12th one, 14th one, 17th one, 15th one, 13th one. Remaining problems you can do. So wise those problems as same as it is as these problems, you can solve remaining problems. That means this completes your matrix lesson. So wise this is your 3.4 your last subtopic. So why this completes your matrix lesson.